Okay, Sparky.
Cool. So this week's tip, we're going to discuss some home technology stuff. 'Cause these days,
Watch it on the YouTube.
yep. What?
Watch it on the YouTube.
Yep.
I forgot to tell you during the break.
Oh, that. Yeah.
I told you
I had that. Wait, I had that all queued up here too. So apparently, we're not really good at this whole radio thing.
No. Or the YouTube thing.
Yes. You can watch us on. See, I told you I had it all queued up and I absolutely forgot.
Oh, see.
So you can watch us on YouTube, catch up on older tips if you missed them. If you're watching YouTube, hit this, and if you go to YouTube, please hit the subscribe button below, and you'll be notified when we post a new video. We try to get a new one on every week. You never know when, so make sure to subscribe now to our YouTube channel.
There it is.
It was never very professional, but we'll have to get more habit. That's the thing. We're growing.
Yes, new things to do.
You know. And then we have to do the Patreon thing in a couple of weeks.
Randall, you don't have anything to say about Rich's growing and growing?
No.
So,
well, okay, go, Rich. Keep going.
All right.
Talk.
So, home technology. We're inundated these days by technology. Whether you like it or not, you see ads for Google, Amazon, Nest, home monitoring system, lighting control, music, security. You open your garage with your phone. Each of these products on their own is really cool. Some do serve a purpose. While it's not for everybody, there is a huge rising market for it.
Oh, yeah.
So home automation, I think most people, to me, the most important thing or the first piece you'd want to get is just your home security. If you're going to spend a few bucks and get something thrown together, I would say get your, monitored security system on your house, tag your doors, and then maybe throw some cameras up.
Right.
And the cameras now are so cool because you get the terabyte or 3 terabyte, storage device. So you can do this. And then, of course, everything goes through your phone now. So obviously you can sit anywhere in the world and check the cameras on your phone and see what's going on at your house.
Right. Yeah.
And in my case, when you have collector cards, it actually lowers your insurance drastically.
Really?
Yes, because if it's a monitored security system with cameras.
Oh, okay.
Because then you can always prove what happened,
right,
and or have better chance of catching the crook. Although the funny thing is, with all the video that's out there of all these people, porch pirates and all that, you never hear of anybody getting arrested.
No, they don't talk about that.
We have video. The only thing you ever hear is the UPS guy got fired because he threw the box over the fence.
Right. Yeah.
But they never seem to arrest the bad guy
that took it.
Right.
Yeah.
Just saying.
But but on TV they have those facial recognition things and they pop it up in 30 seconds. FBI can find anybody, right?
Yep.
Well, that's why the Apple phone with the face recognition, that's exactly where that's heading. Thank you, very little big brother.
Wow.
Thermostats. This is kind of a touchy one. Now, as much as I like the idea of the Nest thermostat and, some of the other, what's the other one? Owl or Nest? What's the other one?
The Ecobee?
Ecobee, that's it. I said owl.
Yeah, you were close.
Wrong aminal. Anyway, be careful before you throw one of those on. Make sure you confirm that your system is not a high efficiency system that communicates through your thermostat, because you could really mess your system up. But if you've got an older style 3 or 4 wire thermostat, yeah, you could probably just slap that on and be good.
Right. The standard systems, they work fine.
Yeah.
Installed a bunch of them.
Right, but the thing is, like, if you have, like, we do a lot of 24-SEER systems, super high-end variable speed. Those you cannot change thermostat. But that said, Train, Lennox, all of them have really cool software that you can control it with your phone, monitor with your phone. So you really don't need to go any further. But again, I don't like third-party thermostats on high-end systems. I think it's a recipe for disaster.
Well, if the system was designed for that thermostat, then you got to keep the system together. I would agree.
Yeah. Smart doorbells. Now, things like Ring and all that, they're pretty cool and they're funny. So, because they have a motion sensor. So if a truck goes by, like a buddy of mine has one. If a car or a large truck goes by, his phone will tell him somebody's coming or something.
Right.
And he'll look, and it was just the truck going by.
The
cooler part of this, he's got 2 young boys. And they realized if they went out front and pressed the doorbell, they could talk to Daddy. So the kids go out in the front and they punch the doorbell up and they talk to him while he's at work, and it's a riot.
Mommy tells me I have to.
That's
exactly. It's a riot.
Johnny hit me.
So I sit there with lunch with Matt, and and his phone will ring, and he's like, "Oh, kids, hi, Daddy." That's hilarious.
That's excellent.
So there's a lot of good things with these.
Uh-huh.
The smart locks, Schlage and Kwikset, all of them make smart locks that you can control with your phone now and then.
Right.
The only problem I have with them is they're ugly. Like, most of them are oversized and all that, so they're not really nice looking. But
I'm sure that'll evolve.
If it's gotten to be too difficult to carry a key, then go ahead and do that.
Well, the nice thing about it is if you have service people coming over, they can call and you can just let them in from and you're not giving them a key to your house. And then, or you can program them. Some of them have keypads. So you can go on your phone and set them up with their own entry key.
Log in.
And then that way, when they're coming in and out, and it logs all that information for you.
And I don't disagree with that. That's the upside to them. So I said there's always good and bad with them. So we have the garage door opener, the battery operated 8557.
Right.
The model number. I don't know why I remember stupid crap like that. But yeah, I can open and close my garage door at my phone. So same thing. If somebody needs to get in the house, I can do that. Close it. It's nice, but I don't know, silly too.
Yeah.
The music and home theater, I think, are two of the biggest things. And I've always had a home theater, like for years and years.
Right.
And I remember having to wire everything, run my subwoofer wiring, do all of that.
Yes.
And now, Sonos changed the world pretty much with what they did. And now we use the Sonos sound bars, and everything's wireless.
Yep.
It's like, go get some good double-sided tape, stick up your home theater, and you're good to go with a 7-channel system.
Yeah. No, it's amazing how efficient they got and how good they sound. So,
yeah. I watched the Bears game Thursday night.
Yeah.
On my buddy's TV in Chicago, on mine down here by using Sling.
What?
Through my iPad connected to my 70-inch, so I'm watching the game on the big screen.
Yeah.
It's like, this technology stuff is cool.
Oh yeah, no, it's pretty wild the stuff you can do with all of that, and it all runs through the internet. So if you've got Wi-Fi, you're set up.
if you don't know how to do if you're not technically advanced person, then there's a few companies out there you can Google around and find a good company that can do everything. There's companies that offer everything a la carte.
Yep.
So you can order it and just have it shipped. So there you go, home automation.
Home automation, very cool stuff. Let's go try it at Robbie's house.
Stop it.
We'll be back right after this.
It'll never work.
Mighty House will return.
It'll never work.
Burn a mule to take a blank usually means that you've been holding it for about 2 days. Why would you hold it for 2 days?